Hello, today we will guide you through how to sign out of Ryanair's website. In this short walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can securely end your session, especially useful if you're on a shared or public device. Signing out helps protect your personal details, saved payment methods, and upcoming bookings. First, open your web browser and go to the official Ryanair website. Make sure you're on the genuine site by checking the address bar for Ryanair.com. If you're already browsing the site and you're logged in, you're good to continue. If you're not sure whether you're signed in, a quick hint is to look for your name, a profile icon, or My Account near the top of the page. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where Ryanair places the account controls. You may see your name, a silhouette-style profile icon, or a label that says My Account. On some screens, especially smaller laptops or mobile devices, those options may be tucked inside a menu icon. If you don't immediately see the account area, click or tap the profile icon or the main menu to reveal the account options. Give the page a second to load fully if it's still rendering or if a cookie or consent banner is covering the header. Closing that banner can help you see the account controls clearly. Once the account menu is visible, look for the option labeled Logout or Sign Out. Click it. The site will process your request and typically refresh or send you back to the home page. That's your confirmation that you're signed out. A quick way to double check is to glance again at the top right corner. If you now see options like Log In or Sign Up and your name or profile icon is no longer present, your session has ended successfully. If you don't find a logout option, it could mean you weren't signed in to begin with, or the page hasn't fully loaded. Try refreshing the page and reopening the account menu. Also, make sure no overlays are blocking the header area. When you're done, especially on a shared computer, close the browser tab or window. This adds an extra layer of privacy. That's all there is to it. Go to the Ryanair website, locate the account area in the top right corner, and click Log Out. Thanks for following along, and stay secure while you travel.